So guys, welcome to my channel Learn In this video, we will going to discuss the second part of the MCQs that we are just discussing about the chapter number 1 biology, that is the biology and its major field. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, go and subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more videos on MCAT and MBBS. So starting from the MCQ that we have left, that is the MCQ number 8. Okay guys, the MCQ number 8 says the vaccination was introduced by. They are asking the name of the scientist that introduced the vaccination. So the options are Flaring, B is the Robert Hooke and C is the Edward Jenner. The answer of this question is the C, that is Edward Jenner. Number 9 says the antibiotics are the substance in which. The antibiotics, they are asking the definition of the antibiotics. So if you have read the book thoroughly and completely, so you can get the definition that is written in the biology book in the chapter number 1. So the antibiotics are that in low concentration inhibit the growth of microorganism. B option says the high concentration inhibit the growth of bacteria. C, in the moderate concentration it inhibits the growth of microorganism, and D are needed to produce the antibodies in the body. So if you have read the definition of antibiotics, you can get the answer. I am just waiting for 2 seconds and then I will reveal the answer. So the answer is option number A. The antibiotics in low concentration inhibit the growth of microorganism. Question number 10 says the first antibiotic to be discovered was. This is the major question to be asked several times in the exams, and mostly in the MCAT the favorite question is this. So the first antibiotic to be discovered by was by penicillium, fungus, penicillin, or none of above. So the option number C is the correct, that is the penicillin, not the penicillium. This is to be remembered, that you should remember the spellings of the antibiotics and the name of the scientist should be remembered thoroughly, so you cannot lose the number in the MCQ. The question number 11 says the soilless water culture is called as. So the soilless water culture is called as the hydroponics. The hydroponics, that is in the option number B, is the correct answer. The question number 12 says Dolly the sheep was first reported in which year? They are asking the year of the reportation of the Dolly, that was the sheep that was prepared from the cloning. That if you have read the topic of cloning, you will get the answers. The answer for this question is okay guys, here there is a mistake. The answer is 1997. The answer is 1997, that is written in the book. Question number 13 says a community with all its environment including the land, water, soil and atmosphere constitutes. They are asking the community with all its surrounding environments constitute what type of the system of life, that is the ecosphere, B is the ecosystem, and C is the biosphere. So these are the similar naming options, and in this MCQ you have to choose the best answer. That you can say this is a BCQ. You have to choose the best answer between these three. So if you have read the definition, you can get the answer. And also one more important thing I want to share with you guys is that these MCQ that includes the level of organization of life and the species, community, population, these should be remembered very much by heart, and you should have to remember these all flowcharts including the data, facts collection, reasoning, or all these charts in the book, and small definitions plus the date and the name of scientists are important for this chapter. That is chapter number 1 of the biology. Chapter number 1 of the biology, that is a first year biology, that is a biology and its major field. So guys, coming to the answer, that is the option number B, that is the ecosystem. The question number 14 says, the recent launch of the biology that concerned with use of data and techniques for the study of the problem is. A is the environmental biology, B biotechnology, and C is the human biology. So the answer for this question will be The data and techniques are used for the study of problem in which field of biology? That is the biotechnology. That is the answer number B. So this was all about, I have shared these MCQs and I have prepared for you guys to be better explained, and I hope you guys will find it easy, and you guys will find it easy and thoroughly you will get answers. And I have shared answers only for your easiness and for your confirmation of the results, because these MCQs are collected from the past paper and different books and notes that I have tell you guys before. So don't forget to subscribe us, like us and share us, because your support is very much necessary for our growth. Thank you for watching.